Hi friends! This week is all about ocean animals. Take a look at the screen. What do you see? What kinds of animals do you see there? They're all different kinds of ocean animals. So this week we're going to be learning all about the ocean and different animals that live in the ocean. Most of the earth is covered in water. Where have you seen water before? The ocean is an enchanting place with many plants and animals. Did you know that the ocean has plants and animals? The ocean is home to many different species of fish. Fish have gills that help them live under the water. When water moves over a fish's gills, the gills extract oxygen from the water to keep the fish alive. This is another ocean animal that we're going to be exploring this week. So each day we're going to explore a few different ocean animals. So first we learned about different fish, and now we're going to learn about this animal. What kind of animal is this? This is a crab. Crabs live in the ocean floor. They have a hard shell to protect their bodies, 2 pinchers, and 2 antennas. Crabs have 10 legs and walk sideways. Can you help me count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 legs. Do you have 10 legs? No way. They have 2 pinchers, 2 antennae, and they walk sideways. Do you walk sideways? That is so wacky. Let's learn about another ocean animal. So crabs live on the ocean floor. What ocean animal do you think this is? This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish come in many different sizes and colors. Jellyfish could be hard to see in the water. Why do you think they could be hard to see in the water? They also have tentacles that are used to sting. So these are their tentacles down here. So those are jellyfish. Do you want to learn about one more ocean animal? Okay, let's learn about one other one. What ocean animal is this? An octopus. An octopus is an ocean animal that has 8 legs. On their legs, they have suckers. An octopus releases ink when there is a threat. Can you help me count this octopus's legs? Let's try. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, they have 8 legs. Do you remember how many legs a crab has? 10. That is so wacky. So bumblebees, today we're going to explore ocean animals. And I want you to think about a few different questions. What is the ocean? Have you ever seen the ocean or been in the ocean? And think about the ocean animals that we explored today. And we're going to read a really silly book later. I hope you enjoyed, bumblebees. Bye!